Welcome back to In Ohio Country today. Big Dan Wilson alongside with Ted Gregg. And Ted is with the Anderson Group, and we're here at Apple Farm Service in beautiful Botkins, Ohio. Ted, it's been a year since I've seen you. Have you learned anything?
Not near enough, just ask anybody. But yes, it's been a good year. We had a challenging year, but it's been a good year.
Definitely. Of course, Ted, you're from Ohio, too. You know exactly what we put up with last year as far as planting season is concerned, and I'm sure you're on the cutting edge of talking about and working with our producers about what they can do to improve the next season. Obviously can't control the weather, but I'm sure the Anderson products that are out there can help them improve their productivity.
Well, last year, an example, in a challenging year, we helped tremendously. All the rains every other day, we saved a lot of hay crops with our Anderson wrappers. And in the last year, we've introduced several new products. A new product that we introduced this last year that we received our patents on is an inline wrapper that does also the inline round bales. It'll also do an individual bale, wrapped completely and put on the ground. The farmer would only have to take one machine to the field to make his individual round bales up to 6 foot in diameter. And then he could also use that for the plug at the end of the inline tube he's making and rolling up. He could also then go ahead and make a full inline wrap. Now, the inline, we can do up to 3 bales a minute, 180 bales an hour. With the individual wrapper, you'll probably only be able to do 50 to 60 bales an hour, but he can do it all with one machine, all at the same time in one field.
You know, Ted, what's pretty exciting, too, is the quality of these Anderson products. Why don't you talk a little bit about how well built and when our farmers and our producers want to invest in something like this, they're going to get their bang for the buck out of these products.
Absolutely. Anderson's been at it going on 30 years or so now. We're still selling a few parts, very few, but the stretchers, which does most of the wrapping process, we're still helping these older machines that are now 30 years old still do the job they did 30 years ago. They're still out there performing for our customers and their neighbors, too.
Well, the Anderson product line is just phenomenal. Of course, you can see the entire line here at Apple Farm Service. But if they want more information, where do they go, Ted?
Well, you can go to grpanderson.com. It's a great website, and you're going to find a wealth of information as well as tutorials on both the crop and the machines.
And you can also go to applefarmservice.com for more information about the Anderson line. Ted Gregg has been our guest. Ted, thanks for joining us.
And my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Why trust your cutting to anything less than the best? Cut with the leaders of Tough from 1951. Bush Hog, available at your local Apple Farm Service. Built in Selma, Alabama and made to last with heavy-grade steel. Bush Hog mows over 30 million acres each year. Mow from 4 feet to 20 feet and cut up to 3-inch diameter brush with single spindles, multi-spindles, and flex-wing rotary cutters. Why trust your cutting to anything less than the best? Choose the Built Tough Bush Hog for performance you can count on. Available at your local Apple Farm Service.